What do you think about the government blaming, landlords for the current crisis we've got in the market at the moment?
I mean, my dad's got a lot of properties. I say a lot about, a few properties in Milton Keynes, and every 4 weeks he's dealing with having to evict a tenant for not paying rent, or a tenant leaving the house in an absolute state and spending at least 20 grand on a renovation. Now, for me, when I sold my two properties that I had, I was seeing that tenants are getting more power with regards to their rights. And I feel like it's just because I've grown up with the landlord side of things. I've seen the stress that my dad, I said to him, I said, why are you doing this for 900 quid a month?
Hmm.
I was like, why are you here trying to deal with tradesmen that aren't turning up, clean up rubbish that tenants have left in it in? You're 2 months in arrears as well. You've paid £600 for court cases.
Hmm.
I'm telling you that I'm renting at the minute in an apartment, but I've seen firsthand landlords have not got it easy. And I feel that more and more, I feel like the buy to let market is spent. I can't really see anyone investing in property on a buy to let front unless they've got a portfolio of houses they don't have mortgages on. Anyone that's got a variable on a buy to let mortgage now, your margins are going to be so fine that I just don't think the juice is worth the squeeze anymore.